I'm in my painting clothes. These are kept in the attic. I've taken them out of the attic and shoved them in the tumble dryer just to get that dampness out. I last wore these, I don't know, 6 years ago or so. Actually, they still fit me. But years old. Do you remember Weekenders clothes? I don't know. Anyway, these joppers, those old Weekenders joppers. This is a dash top. Anyway, you can see covered in paint from previous painting episodes. But let's get today's painting started. Is that this will become my office. I'm going to be painting that wall over there a dark colour as a statement wall. Have a desk in here and a shelving unit, and this will be a nice sunny room in the mornings. So it'll be my office. That's the plan. That's what I'm doing with this room. So I'm just about to paint this room, or paint one of the walls anyway. But John has picked, I was expecting to use a brush or a roller. John has bought these things. New, I've never seen this before. It's just a sponge, pointed so you can go into corners and things, and there's 3 sizes in the set. So you put them on, put the paint into the tray and use the sponge, and the sponge soaks up. So we'll see how this goes. So when you watch me and see I'm not using a roller or a brush and wonder what on earth I'm using, actually it's one of these gadgets. So it's a day later, and I never thought I'd ever say something like this. I never thought these words would leave my lips. That is a beautiful paint. It's a beautiful paint. I have never really known one paint from another. The paint I bought was Farrow Ball, and the colour is oval office blue. The finish is gorgeous. I barely needed a second coat. There's only in places I really needed a second coat, and I was covering up white there. So it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm now going to do this wall, similar colour to what it already is, and I've chosen Farrow Ball's white tie, but had it mixed up in Johnson, because apparently Johnson is very similar to Farrow Ball and a bit cheaper. So that's what I've done. So we'll see how that goes. So that's today's target, is to paint this one. Let's get on with it. So John's taken over from me. He has glossed, he has done 2 walls. So we are painted up now. I've just got a little bit of patchwork to do because I missed a bit here. Look, there's a bit of, I don't know if you can see, I didn't actually miss it. The white's gone over the blue here, so I just need to touch that up. So I'll just do that with a tiny little paintbrush and touch that up. But it's starting to look like an office. Oval office, the oval office blue. It's like a new build, this, because the carpet, where John washed the carpet yesterday, it just feels, it's soft, it's cushiony, springy, clean. It smells wonderful, yeah. It was a Bissell he used. We've got a Bissell, and he used the Bissell liquid, which I absolutely love. And the walls and so on, yeah, this is new build room. This is new build room. Now, the furniture is the next step. The aim is definitely for rustic.
Yeah.
That's the shelving unit, yeah?
Yes, it will be.
Yeah. I got both off Etsy. I bet the woods don't match, but I don't think that really matters. I'm just going to have to go rustic and unmatching. But all good plans come with a hurdle, don't they? Right, so this came without any holes drilled and with not enough screws, and John's not very happy. He's saying this is for hobbyists, this is people who like doing carpentry, not someone who just wants to screw the thing together like that, which he's done very easily. This is for somebody who actually wants to make something and make the table. So, and it needs varnishing as well. So that's a bit of a hurdle. So the finished product, let me talk you through it. My plant that was in the dining room at my desk downstairs anyway, and John just bought me this plant. there. I've had two. The desk comes with this monitor base raise, but it's too high for me. So I have had to use what I was using downstairs, which was putting the monitor on top of a box. This is my own personal laptop. And then when I'm working, so because today's New Year's Day, when I'm working, I swap the computers over. I have my work laptop there. Then to protect the table, I've got a little silicone mat here. That's for my phone. I have got an extension lead here, and I can charge my phone and plug in a monitor, plug in a laptop. What else? I can also plug in light for filming. And then I've got I just have a bowl of bits and pieces I need. Hand cream, lens cleaner, snacks, long-sighted glasses, and stuff for work. I have a pot over here that I think that came with a dessert or something in it, and I cleaned it out a few years ago, and I've used it for all sorts of things. I've used it for little lights in it and New Year and that kind of thing in the past, but now I'm using it for pens and pencils, obviously mouse mat and so on. Then the chair, I got this chair from Wayfair, and the cushion came from my parents' house. That's one of my mum's cushions. I thought it looks quite good. So there's an element of pink in the room as well. That's quite a comfortable chair. But I do actually need the cushion as well for extra support. Then over here am I shelving in a whole load of clobber. So I've tried to make it useful and decorative items. So I've got here, that's a beer cat that came from my parents' house. This mug came from FabFitFun, but Annabelle broke it actually before she moved out. And so we glued it together and I put a succulent inside. Then I've got camera equipment I brought in here, work papers as well. I've got a box down there of empties that I'm going to go through at some point. And it's just sort of bits for my YouTubing, plus also bits for, let's see, there's a light. And also bits for work all together. So it's really my playroom. My study office playroom, Now, so the view from the office, where they're going to see me when I'm on a call, is going to be there, which is great, perfect. But I've got a playing wall here opposite the window for filming. So you'll see a lot more of my outfit videos and outfit pictures will be against a plain background. So I think this is a dual purpose room, depending on which direction you are looking, which really is perfect for a YouTuber working person.